Hey, welcome back to the channel. This morning I want to take you on my bike ride. I do this every morning, about 20 kilometers, eat breakfast, stop and get a couple drinks, and just get my morning exercise. I'm going to show you here my trusty 21-year-old Trek bike that has just about had everything replaced. It's been a good bike. I'm kind of happy with it. I thought about buying a new one, but I just end up getting this one fixed every time, and I've got my special seat here to kind of protect me. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll speed it up in the points that don't have much interest, and we'll see what we get out of it. Anyway, we'll see you when we get back. People out here fishing, netting. Swadee Kap. Whew. on, doggy. Buddy cop. Getting your stuff out. Restaurants closed. Oh, she's open. See you in a little bit. Oh. This is amazing. Never seen it this bad here. Usually it's down the road. It may get worse. Oh, inside the house. Whew. Yeah, look at that tree. That's terrible.
ที่นี้อย่างที่ดูกำๆนะครับถ้าหากว่าบ้านท่านกำตอนนี้เขายังประเมินสถานการณ์มาได้เพื่อนะครับก็คือขยับขยายยกไว้ที่สูงก่อนนะครับดอกนะครับอันนี้เป็นเรียนเอาบอกกล่าวนะครับเขาบอกว่าในภาวะน้ำตรงนี้มาจากนั้นก็ไม่ได้นะครับอันนี้ก็จะมาที่ทราบนะครับดอกแล้วเรื่องทรายครับตอนนี้มาแล้วนะครับจะทุกท่านบรรลุได้นะครับถ้าหากว่าต้องการทรายเป็นพิษอย่างหน้าบ้านท่านนะครับขอบคุณครับ
สวัสดีครับWe came very close to buying a house down that road. Whew, glad we didn't. Don't make me stop in the water.
มันจะลึกๆพวกที่เสื้อสีเหลืองนั้นหลังจากนั้นไปก็ก่อยตื้นไปแล้วครับ
อันนี้ลกที่สุดแล้วแหละ
แม่นแล้วครับถ้าผ่านด่านนี้ไปแล้วก็รอดแล้วครับ
เห็นได้อีกเนาะ
นี่ไหนอ๋อได้ในซอยเมื่อกี้ป้าปูได้ลึกในซอยผมได้ซอยหลังไง
That's pretty high. I've seen it higher than that though. Let's come over the side. Dog's having a blast. I really had no idea I was going to run into this morning. I knew it rained hard last night, but I didn't think it'd rain that hard. But by the time that as I was riding through, they were bringing sand trucks in and filling sandbags. So most of these houses had sandbags at the gate, so they didn't get flooded. But there were a couple of houses that I did see that they were sweeping the water out and pulling some of their furniture out. But like these over on the left here, they're all built up high enough so that the water didn't get in. It's just some of the houses in the lower sections really got nailed pretty hard. And back over here on the left, that road was probably 8 to 10 inches high. The water was. You could barely get through it. But again, when they built the houses back there, they built them about a half meter off the ground. So the water was coming up to the steps, but it wasn't getting in the door. There were only just maybe two or three houses that really got soaked. But they seemed to, the community kind of got together, and there were about 4 or 5 pickup trucks loaded with sand. And right down at the end of this road here, they were filling sandbags when I came through and putting them in the store that's on the right. So they're pretty much eliminating the water problem. But as I came through later on in the afternoon, it seemed to be the water was rising. It wasn't going down. And there have been times that I've seen the water actually go over the sides of that canal that you're seeing down there. But not for a very long time. And see, there you get a good look at looking back towards the west. And that section over on the right there, you see these houses coming up, that has notoriously flooded. They only put drainage in there probably in the last, about the last year. And it's just, I always had water, and the road was completely rutted out most of the time. In the subdivision over to the right, in the upper right-hand corner, people got nailed there pretty hard too, because they were a little bit lower. When I came through, they were pulling their furniture out and getting some pumps in there to try to get the water out. But it's pretty sad to see this. You know, you'd think that the municipality would know they have this problem and do something about it. But this is probably about the third time this has happened since I've lived here. They've just started building in that area pretty extensively, and it's just not adequate. The drainage isn't adequate for the road by any means. See if I can get you a better look at it.